She joins other does grazing on a strip of grass along the Oklawaha River. But hunger is not the deer's only distraction. The shorter days trigger the start of the breeding season. Many of these does are about to go into heat. They're attracting plenty of admirers. Bucks will compete for their affections. The timing of the rut varies more in Florida than any other state. With temperatures mild year-round, raising babies isn't as tied to the seasons. Breeding can peak in July in the south, and as late as February in the northwest parts of the state. These bucks in Ocala